Assalamu alaikum. This is the third lecture of correct use of English in writing and speaking. This is Faiz Mahmood. Here, today, we will try to learn some more things about correct usage of English in writing as well as speaking. Here it is, collective nouns, which are also called nouns of multitudes. They are generally used singular and takes singular verb, like the class is a noun of multitude, the flock, the audience, the jury. All of these are singular or the noun of multitude, so they take singular verb. Is silent, is grazing, was clapping, was unanimous. But keep it in mind that these nouns are singular and take singular verb when these have been used to represent a class or group of people. When they represent a class or group of people, they are singular, so they take singular verb. But these are plural when these are used to represent the members of the group separately. When each member of the group is representing his own individual self, these collective nouns or nouns of multitude becomes plural and they take, in that case, plural verb. Like here, the class is silent. Here, it is a noun of multitude. But here, the group, the people of the group, the people representing the group have been taken individually. So, plural verb is used here. The class were making the noise. The flock were spread all over the field. The audience were going out the stadium after the opera. The jury were divided in their verdict. Now, mark the difference. Jury, singular verb, singular pronoun. Here, jury has been taken as a group of individuals. Here, jury is representing individual. Here, jury is representing a group. So, singular verb and singular pronoun. Here, jury members are representing their individual selves. So, jury becomes plural and it takes a plural verb, were, plus their pronoun has also become plural. Not only the verb, but pronoun will also be plural if we talk about the members of the group separately. This difference you should keep in your mind while speaking or writing, so you may write correctly and you may speak correctly. There are certain collective nouns. Collective nouns, what are collective nouns? When we take a group of person or group of things as a group, not individually. Poultry, cattle, vermin, people, gentry, offspring, alphabet, police, swine, and people. They have no plural form or cannot be used as plural. The poultry is plural, but it has no plural form. It is plural, so it takes plural verb. Cattle is plural, so it takes plural verb. Gentry is plural, and it takes a plural verb. Vermin is plural, and it takes the plural verb. People are plural, so takes the plural verb. All of these words seemingly, apparently are singular, but In function, they are plural, so take plural verb. There is only one exception in these words, and that exception is people. People, when it is used meaning persons, s cannot be used with it. It cannot be used at peoples. But when it means nations, it may be used with s as peoples. I repeat, people, when it represent persons, it has no plural form, but it has plural function and takes plural verb. But when people mentions, it means nationalities or nations, it can be used as peoples. In both cases, it will take the plural verb. Now there are certain nouns which are always singular, like scenery, hair, information, abuse, bread, furniture, mischief, issue, advice, business, land, trouble, luggage. The scenery of Kashmir is beautiful. Scenery, they are always singular. His hair has turned gray. I have no information. You cannot use them in plural form in any case. But plural form of these noun is often expressed by using a suitable expression with them, like a piece of, a kind of, a sort of, words of, acts of, or items of. We can use these phrases with them to show plurality. He used many words of abuse. Abuse cannot be made plural. So to show plural sense, we use many words of abuse. He did many acts. Mischief cannot be made plural. So to show plural, we use this word many acts of mischief. She bought many items of. We cannot make furniture plural. So we use many items of. She made many loaves of bread. Bread cannot be used plural. So we use many loaves of bread. This is the way how you can use this word in plural form. Otherwise, they are singular, they will remain singular and will have a singular verb with them. To make them plural, we have to use these kind of expressions or phrases with them, words of, acts of, items of, or loaves of with them to show them plural. Now remember these words to make uncountable nouns countables. Remember these words: a piece of, some pieces of, a bit of, cake of, a piece of bread, piece of cake, piece of news, piece of information, a bar of soap, yeah, bars of soap, a bar of chocolate or the bars of chocolate, a blade of grass or blades of grass, a drop of water or drops of water, oil and vinegar, a loaf of bread, yeah, loaves of bread, a lump of sugar or lumps of sugar, a speck of dust or specks of dust, a sheet of paper or a sheets of paper, a liter of petrol similarly. Thank you very much for watching Basic English Grammar, and don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. With another lecture, we will be here to learn the correct use of English, the correct use of writing, and